Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Wiring a new house is a critical investment, and in 2025, you can expect costs to average between $8,000 and $15,000. This range typically applies to standard electrical systems for homes spanning 1,000 to 3,000 square feet. The final price varies widely, depending on your home's specific requirements. Understanding these initial figures helps you budget effectively for this essential part of your new build. Your home size is a primary driver of wiring costs. Larger homes require more cable and labor. Beyond square footage, the number of outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures you plan also adds to the total. Each additional point needs material and installation time. Furthermore, selecting higher-grade wiring or specific conduit types will naturally increase your material expenses. These choices compound quickly, so plan thoughtfully. When wiring a home, you'll find that labor makes up the lion's share, often 60 to 70% of the total cost. Skilled electricians charge hourly rates, which can range from $70 to $120, depending on your location and their expertise. The remaining 20 to 30% covers essential materials, including all the copper wire, circuit breakers, outlets, switches, and electrical boxes needed for a complete system. Considering smart home integration early on can add efficiency, but it also increases your initial wiring investment. Likewise, dedicated circuits for specific high-demand appliances, like an electric vehicle charger or a heavy-duty dryer, will incur additional costs. These require specialized wiring and breaker space. However, planning ahead by installing extra data lines or empty conduits for future expansions can save you significant money on costly retrofits down the road. To ensure accuracy and fairness, always secure at least 3 detailed quotes from different licensed electricians. It is absolutely crucial to verify their licenses, insurance, and references thoroughly before committing to any service. A truly comprehensive quote will clearly itemize all labor, material costs, required permits, and provide a realistic timeline for completion. This diligent approach helps prevent unexpected expenses and guarantees a professional installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.